girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
This is a song for the good girl. Won't be do it all for a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. For the good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Be do it all for a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. For the good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
On my mind, I passed my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Be do it all for a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. For the good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
Change positions. Stroke it for me.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be physical. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way,
it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for a very new company to me and they go by the name of Karlami Hair. And I always love working with new companies because I tend to work with a lot of companies like all the time, so it's always fun and I like trying new things in general. So working with a new company is exciting to me because I get a whole new experience and I get to give you guys some tea on maybe a hidden gem that you didn't know about. So this is definitely one of those companies that I think you guys should definitely look into. And today, instead of doing my normal, you know, black hair, today I went with red. I think red looks so good on me. It actually reminds me of my mom because like back in the 90s, like early 2000s, my mom was like infamous for her red hair. Like she always wore burgundy hair and I just really love the way that it looks. I feel like it's just such a pretty pop of color without being too extreme with like a really bright red or a really dark maroon color. It's like right there in the middle and it adds the right amount of pop of color that you need. And I feel like this is one of those looks that also works for all skin tones, whether you are fair or very dark skin. This definitely works for everyone and it's risky without taking too much of a risk, right? So love that about it. And today I did something very simple. I did show you guys the parting space on this look before I styled it like this. I showed you guys what it looks like in a middle part, but because I always do a middle part, I wanted to do something different and I just did like a simple flip over. And then I just added these baby hairs here in the front, one right here, and then just like the swoop for the sideburn, but nothing too crazy other than that. The rest of this is pretty plain Jane. I don't have any baby hairs right here. And if you guys are wondering, I didn't do any customizing to this unit. When you have hair of this color, you don't have to bleach the knots, but I did not pluck this unit, which I would definitely recommend doing. Definitely pluck your units, but because of the style that I was doing today, I didn't feel like it was necessary. But if I was doing something where my hair was like gonna be pulled back or something like that, then I would definitely pluck the hairline just so it's a little bit thinner and looks a little bit more natural, because right now it's definitely on the fuller side, but I'm not mad at it, especially because we have like this flip over going on. And then I have like this piece right here that's kind of like swooped over. Instead of having this like going to the back or like off to the side, I just kind of have this all swooped over, so it's just a nice flip over. And like I said, this color is gorgeous, you guys. It's so pretty. Absolutely love it. Some people, when they wear like this colored hair, they change their eyebrows, but I'm just not that daring. I've literally never changed my eyebrow color, but you could if you're gonna wear this hair. But I would only do something like that if I was like going to like a club. I wouldn't do my eyebrows like that if I was going out to dinner, like at a nice restaurant or something like that. I definitely wouldn't do the red eyebrow, and I wouldn't do it like on a first date, and I wouldn't do it for anything like that. Like basically if you're going out with your friends or you're going to like a club or something like that, you can do the red eyebrow thing. I wouldn't do it for work or anything like that. But yeah, so this unit is, I believe, like a jerry curly texture, but this is one of those units that will be high maintenance, so keep that in mind. If you're looking for something a little bit lower in maintenance, I would definitely opt for like water wave, loose wave. Those are the type of units that don't require as much maintenance, but something like this definitely requires a lot more maintenance because the curl pattern is a lot tighter. And if you guys are wondering, no, I don't have any products on the hair at this time. The only thing that I did was just wet the hair with a water bottle, and there is no conditioner or anything in there. It's simply just water. And at the top half here, just to keep this like in place, I did use the Lotta Body foaming mousse just to do that. But other than that, there's no product on it. This is just a natural hair, and this is what it looks like right out of the package, you guys. I did not wash this hair or anything. I literally took it out of the package, put it on my head, voila, here we are. I would say the density on this one is between 180% density to 200% density. It's very, very full. I actually pull everything back up front for you guys so you guys can see like it's a lot. It's a lot of hair. So definitely on the 200% density side, lower end 180% minimum, like, because this is very, very full. But also because of the curl pattern, it makes it look even more full. So that's another thing you have to pay attention to. I would say something like this is perfect for like a nighttime type of vibe. But if it's like a hot summer day, you may not want to wear this unit because it is very hot and overwhelming, unless you do like maybe a half up, half down, or you like pull some of the hair back and away from from your face. That'll definitely help. Something like this too would be great as a bob. You can order something with a shorter length and do a bob type situation. That would be really pretty. But yeah, I would say this one is about a 24 inch, and it is the perfect length for me. I do actually like this length. It's not too long, not too short. It's literally perfect. And like I said, it would be great as a bob as well. And if you ever order a unit like this, if you ever get tired of wearing it this length, you can actually just cut it later on and then have yourself a bob. So you get like a 2-for-1 type of thing. I think doing stuff like that is great, especially when you're trying to save money and you don't have like a lot of money to just be like buying new wigs all the time. Cutting them and doing things like that definitely, you know, give you a whole new look and a whole new feel and make you feel like you have a whole new unit. But like I said, this unit is on the higher maintenance side, so make sure that you are on top of the maintenance with this. Make sure you're doing your co-washes, make sure that you're detangling it. And anytime you comb your hair, you always want to start from the ends down here and then work your way up here. Don't brush from here down, because what happens is that you're gonna actually create more tangling, more damage, more snapping, and more shedding to the hair when you do that. It's better to start from the ends and then work your way up, and then don't do it while it's dry. Make sure anytime you're detangling your hair, you do it when the hair is wet, like soaking wet with conditioner. I really do like the parting space on this one. It's not too bad. It actually has really decent parting space. Like even on the sides here, you still get a decent amount of parting space on the side, because you know sometimes they'll say it's a 13x4 and then when you get to the side it's like nothing. So I like the fact that this is a true 13x4. Even here you can pull this hair back and you know the tracks start further back here. So let me see, the tracks don't start until way back here, so you definitely get a decent amount of parting space, and this is a true 13x4. So love that. And shout out to Karlami for sending over this unit, because I absolutely love it, and I think a lot of you guys will too. So if you're interested, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.